ready to transform your knack for organization into a thriving side hustle. Today, we're diving deep into crafting and marketing killer Notion templates that people will actually buy. First, let's brainstorm a winning idea. Think about common pain points people have in their daily lives or work. Are they struggling with project management, habit tracking, financial planning, or even content creation? Identify a niche where your organizational skills can offer a clear solution. Once you have your idea, it's design time. Start with a clean slate in Notion. Think about user experience. Keep your layouts intuitive and easy to navigate. Utilize databases effectively for structured data. Use toggles for sections that need to be hidden or revealed. And break down complex information into digestible pages. Don't forget the aesthetics. Color palettes matter. Choose colors that are pleasing and align with the purpose of your template. Use clear headings, consistent formatting, and perhaps some relevant emojis to make it visually engaging. Aim for functionality first, then add that stylish flair. Now, crucially, make your template user-friendly. Add clear instructions within the template itself. Guide your users on how to duplicate, customize, and utilize each feature. Think of it as a mini tutorial baked right into your product. Marketing is key. Take high-quality screenshots and create short, engaging videos showcasing your template in action. Highlight its benefits and how it solves specific problems. Think about your ideal customer and where they hang out. Online social media, niche forums, or productivity blogs. Finally, the actual selling. Popular platforms like Gumroad or Etsy are great for digital products. Make sure your product description is clear, compelling, and keyword-rich. Using tags like hashtag Notion templates and hashtag digital products to reach your target audience. By following these steps, you can create and market Notion templates that not only simplify life for others, but also build an income stream for you. Go create something amazing.